You can download the art seen in the video for free, link in the description. To make the camera follow the player, simply press the plus and add a Camera2D Node to your player. Make sure enabled is set to true so that the camera is active. Additionally, you can go to position smoothing and enable it. Decreasing the speed will make the camera take longer to get to the player's position and vice versa. Now if the camera is jittering with this smoothing, then try changing the process callback to physics. This will help as you likely have your movement code inside of the physics process instead of the process function. And changing this setting to physics will make the camera movement in sync with that same type of frame, as Godot has two types of frames, physics frames and process frames. From here, you can also change the limit of the camera, which is how far the camera can reach in any direction. This can also be smoothed so that when we reach the limits of the camera, it doesn't abruptly stop. Now you have a simple 2D camera that follows the player smoothly and with limits on where the camera can and can't go. And don't forget that you can check out the project files, link in the description.